Stop wasting your time on useless prompts. Developed by TikTok parent company ByteDance and officially launched by ByteDance, Dreamina has released the Dreamina Seedance 2.5 video model. This is not just a minor update, it's a generational leap from 2.0 to 2.5, and it officially ends the era of prompt-based lottery draws. Today, I will show you what true industrial-grade AI video productivity looks like. Let's open Dreamina, sign up in seconds, and head straight to the AI video dashboard. From here, a single prompt is all it takes. Watch Seedance 2.5 turn it into a complete 30-second cinematic scene. This is going to be our base video scene. After putting the prompt, select AI video. Select model Dreamina Seedance 2.5, customize your aspect ratio and select your required resolution. You can also select video duration up to 30 seconds. Hit generate and that's it. A complete cinematic scene ready to go within few seconds. Many people ask what if the generation is not quite right. Dreamina's exclusive smart edit mode is built for the large-scale revisions. You can select 5 timestamps and draw 5 boxes at each point simultaneously. For example, change the background to snow at 5 seconds and change the character's output to a red code at 10 seconds and at 15 seconds change the lighting to sunset glow and at 25 seconds add gentle falling ray. It's a deep intervention on the original creative assets, enabling multi-version delivery from a single creation, drastically cutting your rework cost. If you only need minor tweaks on a finished clip, use Edit Segment mode. Select a 4 to 5 second clip, click on Next, and put your prompt. Change the lantern's glow to a soft blue light. This is for post-generation optimization like changing a watch or a facial expression without touching the rest of the video. Smart Edit handles the major changes while the Edit segment handles the fine-tuning. Together, they deliver true end-to-end control ability. What's the most cost-effective way to use Seedance 2.5? Remember, Dreamina is the official platform, no fake data, full speed generation, and zero queues. The current membership discounts are also incredible with cost as low as $0.097 per second, the most competitive price in the industry. I recommend the 2.0 mini for draft and 2.5 for the final output workflow. It's the most efficient and budget-friendly solution available. Stop playing with uncontrollable toys. Click the link below the video to start your industrial-grade AI creation. Like the video and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to master the latest in AI productivity. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.